I just got up. Why must we start now? Get out of my house! Unfortunate part about living on your own, being almost 30 means you must do adult things even though you don't really want to. Today is garbage day, so you can come with me while I take out this bag of nightmares. Yes, you are a bag of walking nightmares. Let's do it. So I was about to go out and take the garbage out. I'm still going to do that for the vlog, but it's just, I'll let you know, it started to rain just as I was about to leave. And the storm is coming in. We got some pretty bad weather in the forecast for today, but I love that. I love storms. I've just got to figure out how I'm going to get you, still in my hand, the trash bag in my other hand, and my umbrella, and also being there to help keep me dry and you from getting short-circuited. We're going to figure this out. This is a puzzle, and I love puzzles. The lovely weather, huh? We're out to lunch with the angry mother. Say thanks to the camera. Disgusting green beans. You should be ashamed of yourself.